Budapest Children's Railway was built in 1948, the year after Hungary turned communist. Children's railways were a Soviet concept, but they were usually small scale and more for entertainment than education. Keen to impress Stalin, Hungary's new leaders made sure theirs was the biggest and the best. The Children's Railway was an instant hit, and by the 1960s was carrying 800,000 passengers a year. Children from all over the country attended pioneer camps in the woods.